Guys, my name is JenBoyd from JenBoyd. What are you doing? And today I will be showing you how to make homemade tzatziki sauce with a twist. Let's get started. Making tzatziki sauce is very easy. I do not make the traditional tzatziki sauce. I like to just add a little garlic powder and onion powder to mine to kind of give it a little bit more flavor, because to me it's very bland, even though it's good, but this is how I like to make mine. First, what we're going to do is start off with a chopped up cucumber. Typically you use about a half a cucumber when making it. So what I'm going to do is blend up my cucumber with my NutriBullets. I have my cucumber. Alright, so it don't take a matter of seconds. Unfortunately, I have to shake mine sometimes. Alright, so what I'm going to do, all of it did not blend, but the vast majority of it did. You can use a meat cloth, or you can just use a simple little strainer. I think I got this from the dollar store. And in order to help the water get out, you just get you a spoon and just smash it down like this. You use about a third a cup of cucumber. See how you got all of that out? I have a cup of Greek yogurt in this bowl. I'm gonna make sure I got all the juice out. Tablespoon of lemon. You will need 3 tablespoons of cucumber pulp. I also have a tablespoon of dill, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion, and a pinch of salt. You add the salt according to your taste. I already have it pre-mixed in here. Most of that is dill that you see. And then you just stir it together like this. It already smells good, y'all. Look at that. Remember, the garlic powder and onion powder is optional. You do not have to add that. If you just want the traditional tzatziki sauce, do not add those two. Just add the Greek yogurt, dill, cucumber, salt, and lemon juice, and you'll have it. Alright, and that is how you make tzatziki sauce. Delicious. Chill for 1 hour. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you for watching.